When we speak and we walk along the platform, there's some common mistakes that I see. So this short video blog is about how to use the platform effectively and a few things to avoid. So the first thing to avoid is standing behind the lectern for the entire presentation. Even if it's a really big seminar, you need to get out from behind the lectern, from the podium, and stand in front of the audience with no barriers between yourself and the audience. Now, this takes courage, but I would encourage you to leave the safety of the platform, the podium, that puts that beautiful protective barrier before you. Leave it and walk out and be there and be present for the people in the room. The second thing, when you do use the platform, try and avoid what I call the cat on a hot tin roof. So it's the idle waltz. It's the person that incessantly walks from side to side for the whole time they're speaking, not stopping once. So avoid cat on the hot tin roof. The best way to do that is to realize the center of the stage is the strongest point. So stand there and settle for 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, whatever you need, and just settle, and then make eye contact with everyone in the room. Then you may have a different idea, or you may transition to another part of your talk. You can move to a second point in the room. It could be the opposite side of the room. Stand, resettle, reorientate your body so your eye contact reaches everyone. Now start to deliver content for another 1, 2, 3 minutes, as long as you need. And then you can move back to your central point, the starting point, and deliver some more information, and then move to the other side of the room. Once again, settle, reorientate, make eye contact, and move on. This is sometimes called spatial anchoring. Spatial anchoring is when each of those 3 points I've just spoken about, you use them to deliver related content. So in the center, you might set up the scene, motivate people, inspire them. Then you might move over to the side and talk about the vision and where you see people going. You might come back and deliver some more content around the vision, around where you see people going. Then you might move over to this side, and then you might start talking about the risks, the barriers to people achieving their goals, but then come back to the center and refocus on those barriers. This is effective use of the platform. So I've given you 3 tips there for more effective use of the platform. Number 1, don't stand behind the lectern. Number 2, don't idly wander across the stage. And number 3, use the platform for purpose, and spatial anchoring is one of those techniques that you can use to use the platform for purpose, moving to 3, 4, or even just to different positions as you deliver your content. So do have the courage to come out from behind the lectern, but then this platform is a whole different instrument that you need to practice using. Bye for now.